Right, I've made my way all the way from 7th Avenue all the way across. I've gone past Washington Square Park, University, Lex. I've got down as far as 3rd Avenue. I've got my 3rd Avenue picture, but this is going to sound crazy, but I can't find 4th Avenue. I've walked all the way across, straight across town, and I've just been talking to a bloke down there, asking where 4th Avenue is, and he's pointing. He's saying you've got to follow 3rd Avenue back downtown a bit, and that'll bring you to 4th Avenue. And I'm going like, are you sure? He goes, yeah, it'll take you straight to 4th Street. I goes, I don't want 4th Street, I want 4th Avenue. Yeah, you'll see the sign, he said. Got me doubts, like, but I'll give it a go. You guys got 2 or 3 blocks, so that's just good. I'll give it a couple of, 2 or 3 blocks, and I'm just going to head back up and go further uptown. So I'm heading back downtown, yeah. 4th Avenue can't be doing, yeah. Oh Christ, ice cream. I can't think of a more inappropriate shop on a day like today. Well, I'm on 7th Street now, East 7th Street. I can't see how you've got to go back on yourself to get to 4th Avenue, like. This is nonsense. You've gone 3 blocks, I'm going to be on 4th Street. I've just said to that bloke, I don't want 4th Street, man, I want 4th Avenue. Yeah, it'll take it to 4th Avenue. These cars stop at lights or the park, man. The park up. Well, I've abandoned that advice about from that stand before. I've got to go half. Now that bloke marking up. I thought it looks like a friendly sort, like. So I stopped him, and that's him where I can find a 4th Avenue sign. There's constant feeling guns. Oh, it's very short 4th Avenue. I goes, I know, that's why I want to find the sign. He's got to get to 9th Street, which is just here. Cut along. 4th Avenue only runs as far as something like 16th Street or so. You can find one there. Actually told us a very interesting story about 4th Avenue. He said many years ago it used to be called Book Row. Because it was just book shop after book shop after book shop. And like second-hand books and that. Because now there's one bookshop left on 4th Avenue. Well, we did mention the Strand bookshop, which is famous, like world famous, the Strand. I've been to the Strand before. It's up on 12th Street, I think it is. 9th Street too. We've got a rush hour. And you guys just get across to 4th Avenue at 9th. And just head up, sort of head up town, and there will be a 4th Avenue street sign. It's very strange that there's not one. I've got pretty much all the rest now. Once I've done this, I can head back over to 8th, I think. 8th Avenue. And then just keep going to 9th, 10th, blah blah blah. Vivi bubble tea. Shut. It's still pretty quiet, like, on the streets. There's a few people kicking about, like. But well, what do you expect, I suppose? Mind, I'm not really in the main tourist area, yeah, either, like. So I've got to get back along the 8th Avenue. Kind of will be. So see if it picks up people-wise along there. I think I've just stumbled across one here. I haven't gone further. I'm just on East 10th. There it is. 4th. Obviously 4th Avenue, that's the easy. Yeah, we're gone 4th Ave. Excellent. Right, let's get this. 4th Ave and East 10th. So I'm going to get 2. It's taking some bloody finding this. Marvellous. Right, I've just gone back down to 9th Street. Actually, I'm quite near the Strand, so I'm 12th. Wandsworth. It's popping up the Strand right on here. Doing the paths. He's like getting along with a shovel and that, this bloke. He doesn't put any salt down if they shovel it. It's gonna get pretty sticky. If you're wondering what this is, by the way, I've always got on some backpack. I've been buying loads of stuff. Mementos and souvenirs and knickknacks and that. And I do my back and carrier bags. And everything just goes in the backpack. Although I did curtail me spending the bit yesterday, like I had to spend far too much every souvenir shop. Every single one. Coming up with something. But that's bollocks. That's what I'm here for. Just in Washington Square Park before, and usually when you stand one side of the big arch and you see right up 5th Avenue up towards the Empire State Building and that, or if you stand the other side you look down towards where the World Trade Center is, Freedom Tower and that. Can't see now today, like you barely see the end of the block. What the hell is this? Costume shop? Even it's shut. I think New York's pretty much shut down for the day by the looks of it. But these were like a hardy bunch. Now it's stopped now. A little bit of snow. Perhaps in a little bit. It's pretty bad actually. So those are the ones that with them like little snowplow things. Doing that bit, they'll keep the city run. Yeah, I'm on 12th now. I just head across. And I can't find the Strand, but I should be able to. I've just head straight across there. Like. So I just, oh yes, if I can find the Strand, I just said. There it is. 18 miles of books, if you laid them out. 18 miles. Remember the first time I came here, I got off the tube at one sort of side of the store, but I didn't see it when I got off the tube and I started walking thinking I had to go and do a couple of blocks or something.